Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can add and remove widget on Android home screen. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my home screen, and first thing first, we can long press on any empty area of our home screen. So I'm going to long press right here. Okay, and the screen will look like this. Then we have to select the widgets option since we want to add widgets. Okay, and there are a couple of widgets we can add to our home screen. And for example, I'm going to add the weather widget. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Then I'm gonna go with this one. So just click on the widget and click on add. Okay, now as you can see that the weather widget has been added to my home screen. And if we want to remove this widget, we just need to tap and hold on the widget. Then we just need to click on remove, and the widget now has been removed from my home screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can add and remove widget on Android home screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.